Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Adiba, and today I am with all the classifications of GIT stomach. First, modified Johnson's classification, which is the classification of gastric ulcers. Type 1 ulcer located at insula angularis. Most common. Type 2. There are two ulcers, one in body of stomach and one at first part of duodenum. Type 3, also known as prepyloric ulcer, that is, ulcer located just before pylorus. Type 4, ulcer located higher on lesser curvature. Type 5, NSAIDs induced ulcers. Some of the extra points associated with this classification are: type 1 is found to be associated with blood group A, type 2 to type 4 associated with blood group O. In type 1, 4, 5, acid production is either normal or very low, so vagotomy not performed. In type 2 and 3, increased acid production and truncal vagotomy is routinely done. Second classification is bleed risk classification, used to predict the risk of rebleeding and mortality in patients of upper gastrointestinal bleeding or UGI bleeding, based on the following criteria: ongoing bleeding, low SBP, elevated PT that is more than 1.2 times, erratic mental status, unstable comorbid disease. Third classification is Forest classification, that is for the estimation of risk or rebleeding based on endoscopic findings. 1A active pulsatile bleeding, 1B oozing is there, 2A non bleeding visible vessel, 2B adherent clot is there, 2C black dot, and 3 clean base. High risk of rebleeding is with 1A, 1B, and 2A. Intermediate risk of rebleeding is with 2B, and low risk of rebleeding is with 2C and 3. Third, Borman's classification, a pathology classification which is based on macroscopic appearance. Type 1, diffuse polypoidal growth. Type 2, ulcerated lesions with raised or elevated borders. Type 3, ulcerated lesions infiltrating the gastric wall. Type 4, Linitis plastica. And type 5 is non-classifiable. Then fifth classification is Lawrence classification. There are two types: intestinal variety and diffuse variety. Intestinal variety is also known as classical, and diffuse variety is also known as atypical. Comparison between two are: firstly, in intestinal variety, most common in males, elderly, 5th to 6th decade. Most common site is distal part, environmental risk factor, and well-defined gland formation. Hematogenous spread is there and is found to be associated with APC gene mutation and is epidemic in nature. Then diffuse variety, most common in females, young age, most common site is fundus, proximal part. Familial risk factors, poor gland formation, that is signet ring variety, lymphatic or transmural spread, and there is decreased E cadherin, endemic. The one thing which is common to both, that is intestinal variety and in diffuse variety, are associated with P16 and P53 inactivation. There is one more classification, that is Seward classification, which is for GE or gastroesophageal junction tumors. There are three types: type 1, type 2, and type 3. And type, for which type? That is for the adenocarcinoma of distal esophagus, type 1, real cardia for type 2, and type 3, subcardial stomach. Thank you, friends.